You're watching How Leap. Let me show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on any Android phone. First, restart your router and phone. Forget the Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the network, then forget. Reconnect by entering the password. Disable battery optimization for Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Battery, then Battery Optimization. Find your Wi-Fi app and set it to Don't Optimize. Update your phone's software. Go to Settings, System, then System Update. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, then Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. This will erase saved networks. Check for router firmware updates. If using a VPN, disable it temporarily. For more simple software tutorials, subscribe to the How Leap channel.